Are you the best ding pong paddle to improve your game? Check out our top 5 picks. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced player, there's a paddle here for you. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start playing. So let's get started with the list. List number: Upstreet's ping pong paddles. The Upstreet ping pong paddle set comes with 10 tournament-approved ping pong balls and 4 high-end table tennis paddles composed of 7 layers of high-quality wood and bouncy rubber with black stripes on the handle. The slightly curved, rounded shape gives a more comfortable feel for your wrist after hours of play. This high-quality professional paddle set is perfect for any skill level, from beginner to pro. With the thickness of 7.6 millimeters and weight of 107 grams, this paddle is made for speed and spin, not only for heavy balls, but also for beginners who are just starting to learn how to drive with high-power strokes. The Upstreet ping pong ball is approved for tournament play. 40mm ping pong balls are commonly recognized as standard size, made of 7 layers of wood in order to provide you the highest quality craftsmanship, and black stripes on the handle make it easier to control your ball while playing. List number: JP Winlook ping pong paddle sets. Our ping pong paddles and table tennis sets is designed to take your game to the next level. They are designed for players who are looking for a more comfortable handle, making it easier for them to flow through loops and spins, which can get better performance from their game. Our ping pong paddles come with 4 rackets, 1 of each color, 8 balls, and a convenient portable case, so you can keep your gear organized or for easy travel. This bundle includes 4 table tennis rackets, 8 ping pong balls, and a convenient carrying case, so that you can keep your gear organized or for easy travel. Our ping pong paddles are made of high-quality, crack-resistant wood that consists of 5 layers for more durability. Our competition-quality ping pong balls are designed for amateur players and pros alike. The ultimate in feel and playability. A flared ergonomic handle that provides comfort and control. And a medium soft bounce sponge for feel and spin that will take your game to the next level. List number: Pro Spin Carbon Fiber Ping Pong Paddle. The Pro Spin Carbon Fiber Table Tennis Paddle is the latest and greatest ping pong paddle on the market. The carbon fiber structure increases power, increases response, and provides more thrust when hitting a ball, making it easier to get through different game situations. This paddle is built to deliver better control and accuracy while adding more speed and power. This 7-ply construction is perfect for players looking to create more offense in their game. The carbon fiber also offers great balance, control, and responsiveness while improving your accuracy on every stroke. Carbon blades offer a bigger sweet spot for enhanced precision, power, speed, and control. Experience the perfect balance of weight and comfort while using this racket. The paddle can be used as a right-handed or left-handed blade with a strong lobbing ability and spin rotation. List number: Killer Spin Jet 200 Ping Pong Paddle. Killer Spin is the leader in table tennis equipment, bringing you the best value for your money. The Jet Basic rubbers are designed for recreational ping pong players who want to improve their game and dazzle the competition. Killer Spin's paddles are ideal for learning basic strokes and perfecting ball control. The rackets have a balanced design and comfortable flare grip that feels natural in your hand. The perfect paddle set for beginners, kids, and guests. These Killer Spin ping pong paddles have a 5-layer wood blade construction. The Killer Spin Jet 200 Ping Pong Paddle features built-in flexible PVC tape to surround the racket edges and help protect them against regular wear and tear. Its soft texture is ideal for practice, and the easy grip handle keeps your hands comfortable while providing the desired comfort required to play at an adult level. List number 5. Stiga Pure Color Advanced Table Tennis Ping Pong Paddle. The Stiga Pure Color Advanced Table Tennis Racket sets a new standard of performance and style. This best-in-class racket is constructed with Speed Core technology, the same type that is used by the world's top tour players. This increases vibration and reaction speed, giving this racket extra pop to increase the power of your shots. You will be able to easily grip the concave handle for an increased level of power on every volley, thanks to its carbon fiber construction. And the 3-star rubber with 1.5mm sponge provides a great balance between speed and spin generation. Stiga Pure Color Advanced Table Tennis Racket is an aggressive racket that will give you the edge you need to win a tough game. Easily grip the concave handle to unleash unrivaled levels of power on your opponent. And the Stiga Pure Color Advanced Racket will give you the edge you need for a winning performance.